Hey guys, this is Sandy and I'm waiting to book the profits in UPL. So I'm waiting to close at 600 rupees or UPL. So already I booked the IDFC First Bank, almost like close to 44% profit, and right now I'm waiting for UPL. So closing at I've placed the target at 600 rupees, and let's see in the orders. You can see my orders section. So I'm waiting to close my client's account. Clients handle this is almost like 600 rupees, 0.30. I placed the order. So let's see. I'm waiting for it. It's almost like 597.95. So I'm waiting for it to close the target. So if you guys need any kind of services for the account handling, you can approach me. You can ping me in the YouTube channel, and so I'm ready to I need to help you a lot. Yeah, to book the profits. So stay tuned to Sunday page, and hope you guys enjoy this video. This is a short video, and hope you don't mind having it. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.